Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Great to see you once again. Thank you very much for joining me this morning and throughout the premieres today as well. And it's lovely to have you all here. Welcome, welcome, everybody. Now then, have we got any people in today that are interested in Rumble? Because if you are, let me know. And I got some news for my Rumblers today. I'll give it about 5-10 minutes, get everybody in, and I'll share some information. As you can see, we're very green today. The studio is nice and green. If you look here, we hit an all-time high this morning, 72.4 at 72.2 now. So near an all-time high. We broke an all-time high this morning, which is nice. Very, very good. Never seen that amount of money in my balance in my portfolio before. So very nice indeed. Let's have a look here. Kevin B. News on Discord in case Martin hasn't seen it. Let me have a look. I'd never dropped that much on it. What are we talking about here? We're talking about some news on Discord. Links for YouTube. Okay, let's have a look. Where is it? Let's have a look. Stock news. Okay, is it stock news? Let's have a look. This is just out. Okay, I've just seen this now. Fisker pauses production, gains funding commitment. Well, we've already seen this one, I think. We have received financing commitment for up to 150 million. In addition to this update, we have declared deliver approximately 1,300 cars. Okay, so the filing. Let's have a little look here. Okay, here's our 8K file. Let's see for information here. All right, okay, 150 million. Just reading this now. Let's have a look. Fisker. 8K filing. Let's have a look. Scrolling down. March the 18th today. Conversion. Okay. Here we go. The confirm. I'm just reading it through now. Confirmation of this funding. Just going through it. Yeah. Okay, I've got it all now. Just checking it all through. And okay, there we go. Just reading this through. New York Stock Exchange, right there. Provided sale of 166 million aggregate. There we go. Okay. All right. That's all good. This is good. This is good news. This is actual confirmation now, which is good. We want this. Thank you, Kevin B, for sending this information in. Let me just resize that. Okay, here we go. All right, this is good. It's confirmation now. SR5. Okay, let me bring it up. This is confirmation that we can actually use. This is good news. Now then. Here we go. Hi all friends, brothers and sisters. Raman, good afternoon. What is going on with space? Did you not see the video? I explained it all. Richard Garcia. I'll show you now. This is what's going on with space. I put it out and explained it in detail. So a video, we've had, where am I? Let me just refresh the screen. I've just put out 5 videos. Right, there you go. There is the FOMC report on Virgin Galactic. That's just gone out, okay? You might want to check that out. It's on the homepage of the channel. Here's the homepage of where we are right now. Scroll down. Look, you can either go scroll down or click videos, whichever you like. But there you go. There's the latest video of Virgin Galactic, FOMC, Tilray Brands, and Fisker. All just gone out, and this one here as well. I am 19 years of age with $35,000. Did you all see that one this morning? Anyway, that's just gone out. So if you want the link to it, I'll give it to you. Share, copy. Let me give it the link. This is for, who's this for? Richard Garcia wants this video. Richard, you might want to go and have a little look at that. There you go. There is what you asked for. Right, that's why it's down. Okay, let me come back to the home page. Let me come back to Fisker for a moment. Pending FOMC interest rates announcement. That's right. Us up, Lance Strength. Hi all, friends, brothers and sisters. Is there a petition to fire Eric? There should be. He's absolutely rubbish. There absolutely should be. He's absolutely rubbish. I've given up with trying to speak to Virgin Galactic. They're wasting my time. I like what Virgin Galactic, what they do, the technology, but the people that run it, no. Lazy, rubbish, just not committed. I'm more interested in driving the stock price down. I don't understand it. I do not understand it at all. Anyway, thanks, Martin. You're very welcome. Hey up. What's up? The 8K is actually it is positive news. It is very positive. Martyn Lucas, he had 35,000 saved, not dollars. Yes, I know. Oops. Oh, did I put dollars? Oh, well, okay. All right. I mean, you know, I get it. I see I've got a new badge. Yeah, Vaz. Yes, you are 1 month now. 1 month. Congratulations. Yeah, 1 month now. Right. Some good news finally today for Fisker. All right, so let's have a look. Fisker, finally, some good news. Do you want to know what the good news is? Not that it's down to 14 cents, which is right on that button of the 15 cents bottom, which is where we predict it to be the bottom. So right now at the lowest price, okay? That's what we think anyway. Today, as you can see, my studio is green. The whole market is up today. Everything's looking great. Let me share this with you. But Fisker might be coming back up again because we can now, for the first time, confirm some good news. Good news. Finally, I know you're shouting at the screen going, thank God for that. Finally, some good news. So tap the like button if you like good news and subscribe and ring the bell. Remember, if you don't tap the like button, you're just not going to get the good news, right? Are we about to turn the printing machine on? Can we make some money? Is it stacking up now with Fisker? Can we finally see some good news? Well, I'm going to share with you potentially. Well, this is good news. This is absolutely good news. Let me share it with you. This official news, the information that we've been waiting for, which kind of puts things a little bit better than they were before. Okay, this is just out. Not that many people are seeing it because the stock price is still going down, right? Fisker pauses production, you all know that, but gains funding commitment amidst financial woes. You knew about that, but you didn't have the confirmation. We just got rumors and stuff like that, okay? We've now got the confirmation, and I'm going to show you the paperwork. Fisker will pause production of its electric vehicles for 6 weeks. We know that. That's why the share price is going down. And the company also says it has received a financial commitment for up to $150 million amidst financial concerns. I'm going to share that with you right now. On Monday, the EV maker said it will sell convertible notes at a 10 cent percent discount to one of its existing investors, generating up to $150 million, according to Reuters. The notes are being sold to CVI Investments through Heights Capital Management, as detailed in an 8K filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Fisker also says it has delivered around 1,300 EVs so far this year. This was their post on X, of course. We have received a financing commitment of up to 150 million. In addition to this update, we have delivered approximately 1,300 vehicles. Great. But what we want is the filing. We want to see the filing. Well, we do finally have it. We've got the filing, and there it is. The 8K filing, it's in. And it's official. Fisker does have the funding. Now, does that mean we're out of the woods and everything's great? Well, no, it doesn't. But it does mean we've got the funding. It's no longer a rumor that can be debunked, or maybe, or if or what's and why and when's and all the rest of it. There you go. 166 million to be precise. Up to, of course. There it is. That's the 8K filing. Now, this is good. Sorry about that. It's all over the place there. This is good news. This confirms that we do have the money now, the intent there. So that's all good. Very, very good indeed. Now, this has only been out a very short while. And as you can see, the stock price hasn't really reacted to it yet. But we have to say it's good news. However, like I put out on the news earlier, we have to get ready for Jerome Powell on Wednesday. Nothing is really going to do too much until Wednesday anyway. But we have to say, though, you have to remember, when everybody's telling you, you know, it's okay, the markets are down, they are not. Look, we're up nearly 1% today on the S&P. It's very, very nice indeed. My portfolio is at all-time highs. So, you know, the markets are actually quite good, but Fisker isn't. But this is good news today. We finally got some good news, and perhaps it's time now that we could see the price rise. So there you go. I thought I would share that with you. Now, if you want to leave any comments below to this, what do you think? What's your predictions for Wednesday? We will cover the FOMC report live. That's when Fisker will go up or it'll die. Because if rates go up, I think Fisker, Virgin Galactic, Nikola, other stocks we cover that have a lot of debt will be in trouble. But I don't expect that to happen. However, we will know live on the show. We want to follow it, be ready to go, ready to dump, ready to buy, both ends of the spectrum at that moment. Okay, so click above my head for those links down below in the description. Look at that on the shadow. That looks quite good, doesn't it? Look at that. Never noticed that before. And over here, I'll post the actual chart, and I'll also post the FOMC report. Good news, finally, for Virgin Galactic, Fisker. Look under here for the extra channel as well. Sorry, I've just been talking about Virgin Galactic. Apologise for that. Over here. Until next time, it's been a long day. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, some good news. Got to say it when we find it. Okay, let me shut that down. Thank you for Kevin B for sending that in. And right at the end of the show, I will put that out in minutes, and it'll be a good way to end the day. Some positive news indeed. Thanks, mate. FSR oversold. I would say so. Let's have a look at the level 2 data. We've got buying sort of stacking up potentially. You know, remember it's manipulated, but we're not completely in the RSI. If you look, let me just open up the bottom of the ticker there. We are in the RSI channel. We're not oversold on the RSI really, but we're in the middle of the channel. So if you saw it right below that brown area there, then you could argue that we're oversold. But unfortunately, as regarding the RSI, we are not oversold. Just emotionally, perhaps, we're oversold. I mean, now remember, if you look at this and you think it can't go any lower, it absolutely can, because we could get a reverse split, and we're going to have to get a reverse split in a minute. If we don't hold, if we fall below $1 for long, we'll have to reverse split. So suddenly, you know, the stocks will be worth $1, but they won't. It'll be just like, you know, eight for one or something like that. But you know, and then of course when it's $1, you've now got 8. You know, you've now got 1 for every 8 you had before. So it's exactly the same. And then it can go down 50% again, 90% again. So don't think because we're at 14 cents, that's it. It can't go any lower. How could it possibly go any lower? Of course it can. We just reverse split. And then all of a sudden you can come down 90% all over again. So just bear that in mind. Right. It's just not out of the woods kind of news. It's just not Out of the woods. That's right. It's not out of the woods, but it's worth mentioning. Kevin B, thanks for sending that in, mate. I really do appreciate it. First tranche will be only after FSR's report, their 10K, and many other stipulations to get the rest. Good evening, Henrik. Hi, Henrik. Hi, Crag. Lovely to have you here. But they missed the 10K filing extension again. They will be further shorted for any reason at this point. I agree. I agree with you. Good evening, Lucas AIDS, James 007. How are you? We need some good news on space. We do, but no surprise, you're not going to... Oh, dear. Oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear. Virgin Galactic has now just gone below that 150. It just touched 149. No surprise, but, you know, just because I believe it's going there and everything indicates it's going to $1.10, I don't want to see it because a lot of my viewers are into Virgin Galactic and they want to see it go up. We don't want to see it go down to $1, which is where I think it's going, especially on Wednesday. If things don't go well, it will go below $1. Then we've got all kinds of issues then, extra problems to deal with. So I hope not, but it's sitting on that 150 again. Good evening, MSK and James. Evening, all MSK. Good evening, good evening. Bill, hello, Bill. How are you doing? Lovely to have Bill here with his 2-year badge. All right. So the markets today, green. Very nice day. Very, very nice day indeed. Looking very nice, as you can see. Let me just adjust that slightly because it's a bit off the screen. There we go. If I can make that a bit smaller. There you go. That's a bit better. It was slightly off the screen. Anyway, so Virgin Galactic now at 150. Palantir 272 up today. Good. Gold is up. The S&P is up nearly 1%, 0.84. Very nice day today. Fisker's now 14. It's getting lower, still falling. This is my position today. This is showing you where we are. We hit all-time highs today, and we're nearly back at that again, which is nice. 72,257. Very, very nice indeed. Like it. Now then, wouldn't CVI be taking shares when the deal is through with Fisker? Wouldn't CVI be taking shares when the deal is through with Fisker? What exactly do you mean? They have the share. They're buying the shares. Virgin Galactic will likely go back to 170 on Wednesday. Well, if we get a pause and an indication of rates coming down in the summer, it will. But if we get a rate hike, then Virgin Galactic is really in trouble. Let's not beat around the bush. Anyway, Apple up today. 4.89. When it gets to $5, when my balance gets to $5, because it will eventually, I will sell it. I won $5, and I'm just going to sell it for $5. No point selling it for a loss just for the sake of it, is there? Anyway, next here, energy. Enphase. Someone asked me this morning if this was a good deal, and it was down here at 108. Remember, 107. You said, "Is it a good deal?" And I said, "Yes, it is." It's now 112. So it was a good buy today, definitely. Keep an eye on ZOM. Lots of insider buying. Thank you, Kevin B. Keep an eye on ZOM. If we get that flight news, we should trend up a bit. If it gets delayed, it'll be a bloodbath. Yeah, I think it will. Anyway, I've got some news for my Rumble audience. My Rumble audience. If you are interested in Rumble, if you are watching on Rumble right now, or you're investing in Rumble, like Crag, for instance, Crag, hang on a minute. Let me just do this a second. Right, okay. I've got some news for my Rumblers this afternoon, and I've always shared everything with you openly and honestly, so we're going to continue that mission and tell you that today we've made some big big steps forward on Rumble. So if you are an investor in Rumble and you're interested in Rumble, or you watch me on Rumble, then you might appreciate this news. So here I am on Rumble right now. You can see me streaming on Rumble. And as you know, I won the Creator of the Year award this year, the small creator. And I was told I would receive $500, if you remember. And I went, well, I've not had it. Well, the good news is I've now had it. And if you look, this is actually my money all time. So all time. And if I go all, not just Rumble, but everything, they don't regard that as Rumble earnings. There you go. $601. I've got $601 in my account. Look at that. That's my 500 I've earned and 101 that I've earned by doing it for a year. I finally got some money. So I'm expecting now to get paid at the end of this month. They said you'll get paid at the end of the month. So hopefully I should get paid end of the month into PayPal. That's good. So what am I doing about that? Well, the good news is what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload videos now to Rumble. Before, I wasn't doing it because it was pointless. YouTube don't allow you to do it anymore automatically. It's an extra step, but I'm now going to do it. So if we go to my channels and I look on my channel right now, there you go. For the first time in ages, I've started to upload videos again to Rumble. So let's see if this works. I put out Tilray, Virgin Galactic, I'm 19 with 35 grand, and Fisker, FOMC, and I'm live there right now. So for the first time, I've actually got videos, not just live streams, on Rumble again, and we'll see what happens. My Rumble audience asked for it, and I thought, okay, I've finally been paid now. I won the Creator of the Year. At least I could do was start uploading again. It does take an extra step because before it was automatic. But Habak, who watches me on Rumble, says, nice. I've actually got one subscriber on Rumble. Rumble subscriber is like being a member on YouTube. So someone is like a member. They support the channel by being a subscriber. So there you go. We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers now, followers with one subscriber. And I'm going to give it a go. And I've been doing it for a year, and I'm going to go a couple of months now and see what these videos do and see how Rumble actually works, if it can actually, make some kind of financial benefit to my work. It's just like YouTube. When I started on YouTube, when I finally got monetized, I was on like, $1 a day. And right now on Rumble, I'm about $1 a day at the moment. So let's see if it can start to grow. We shall see. Let's see what you say about that, particularly those that like Rumble and those invest in it. Nice one, Martin. And I owe you from Mr. Pavlovsky to keep you on. And I owe you from Mr. Pavlovsky to keep you. Hang on. Nice one, Martin. And I owe you from Mr. Pavlovsky to keep you on Rumble. Well, that's nice. Craig, it's because of you I'm on Rumble. Because of you, I entered the competition. So it's because of you I earned $500. So thank you very much for your encouragement. And let's see how we grow from here. Anyway, there we go. Raman, what is your Virgin Galactic position? I think the videos might help you grow faster on Rumble, Martin. They might do better than the live streams. You never know. No, you're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. They might do better because the live streams are just about community, right? And if you haven't got the community, like we have here on YouTube, then of course the community doesn't mean very much. Whereas the videos are searchable and they've got a thumbnail which is attractive and all the rest of it. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, 350,000 FSR shares. Reebok, good afternoon to you. Good luck. He didn't make one for Virgin Galactic, unfortunately. I didn't make a Virgin Galactic video. Yeah, I did. I did. Are you saying I didn't make a video for? Is that what you just said? Hang on. I think I did. Yeah, I did. Yeah, look. Yeah, right there. Look. Space Virgin Galactic. FOMC report 1 hour ago. There it is. Yeah, I did. We'll come back and we'll check by tomorrow, and we'll see how many views they've got. I don't expect it to be like YouTube. Of course, it can't. I mean, you got nearly 20,000 subscribers, but I'll see and have a look. It might be quite interesting. We'll find out. Anyway, let's have a look. ASTI is confirmed on Alpha, went from 170 or so to currently 23% short. Who here's shorting? ASTI, of course. ASTI's March the 28th in 10 days' time. The CEO will be live on my show. Any reviews for Canopy Growth? Yes, any reviews for Canopy Growth. I think I have done it. And this is how you find out. Tyrone Walker. What you do is you go into the search bar like this. You type in Martyn Lucas. All right. And then you type in Canopy Growth. There you go. Let's have a look. And if I've done it, which I have, there you go. There's my review. There is my review on Canopy Growth. It could do with an update, but it is nevertheless there. So you've asked for it. So let me give it to you. You asked if I've done a review on it. The answer is yes, I have. All right, there you go. Let me give it to you. So who was it who asked for that? Tyrone Walker. There you go. Tyrone Walker. There is your review that you asked for. MSK, Martin, Raman and I were talking about the XRP guy. Yes. What about him? I see a bit of excitement going on in the chat. Martin, we were talking about XRP. Oh, I see. The Virgin Galactic. Thank you for explaining. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Got you now. Okay. Now then, back to FSR. It's still, a little blip there. 15. It was 14 nights. We're 15 now. Let me just go back to it a second. Virgin Galactic is 149. Oh, dear me. There you go. Well, though I got burned on the ADBE earnings, they beat EPS and revenue. Market dumb. It makes very often it makes no sense. Nice to see it's up a bit today. I still have a while to go before I'm even. 10 shares at 575. I expect to go to 620 to 700 though. Good luck, Randy B. I wish you the very, very best with that. Okay. Fisker. Polygon. Down nearly 5% today, but way above holding above the $1 now. Bitcoin. Now, some people are calling it, it's all crashed back down again. Some people are calling it a correction. Nothing goes straight up, of course, but, there you go. A bit of a correction going on, perhaps. What can we do as investors in space to get changes done like last time? Well, I can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Basically, you sign a petition like we did last time and send it in like last time. And if all the investors sign it like last time, it forces action. We got action last time, as you've just mentioned. The missing component, though, is you'd need to convince me to speak to Eric Kearney again, because I find Eric Kearney a complete waste of time. He just does lip service and all the rest. I'm not going to, keep going on about that, but we can do it. We've got the numbers, we've got the people, we've got the power. We're the investors. I've got Eric Kearney's phone number, but I don't want, I don't want to waste my time. Eric Kearney is a waste of space. He should be fired. Quite frankly, he's absolutely useless. He doesn't serve any purpose at all. He's there just to bring the stock price down and treat the investors with contempt. I find him completely useless. But I'm here for my viewers. If my viewers wanted a campaign, if my viewers want, a petition, we'll do one. I mean, I can set it up. I can get it to Virgin Galactic if you really, really want that. But I'm going to need the whole army to really want it, because, you know, your time is valuable, my time is valuable, and Eric Kearney he wastes my time. He's like a bloody great Dyson vacuum cleaner, sucking out my energy. I've got better things to do. So you'd have to convince me. You'd have to convince me. Everybody would have to go, yeah, well, come on then, let's get on the case. All right, yeah. So there you go. Now, what is this about XRP? I keep hearing XRP should give us some words. I tell you what, let me open the phone up to, so MSK, Randy B, Lance Strength, you guys seem to be, the ones that are in this now. Phone in. I want to hear from you. What's this big XRP? I want to know what's going on with XRP, because I've been told to watch out for a few members, and you know, I don't take notice of all the, you know, the private conversations as much as possible. So if you could let me know what's going on, could one of you call in? Perhaps, you know, whoever's involved in whoever knows about the conversation with XRP, could you call in so you can talk to me directly, and I can you can bring me up to speed what's been going on, because we don't want trolls, we don't want people in the show that are not serving a positive a force for good. But I need to be kept up to date. So anyway, is XRP82 watching? Is he? Well, I can tell you, XRP82. No, he's not. No. Yeah, look, Mike's gone. Mike's looking already. Mike knows how to do it. Anyway. Get Eric sacked. So honestly, the fact he loves talking about GameStop and shorting stocks, yeah, I mean, that's enough right there to get rid of the guy. And anyway, can you review TerraWolf, Sana DW? Sana DW. Was you the guy who called in this morning? Sana. It was you, wasn't it? Sana DW. Sana DW, I made a video about you. Did you see your video? You're famous now. You are absolutely famous. Look, there you go. There's your video. I'm 19 with $35,000. There's your video. Look, there you go. There's you this morning. This is Sana, isn't it? This is Sana. There you go. Did everyone notice how white his teeth were? I was very impressed. Did you all notice? He had the most perfect white teeth I've ever seen in my life. I've never seen anyone with perfect white teeth like that, apart from like Tom Cruise and people like that. But I was very impressed. I thought, bloody hell, look how white his teeth are. Like perfect. Anyway, so there you go. There's your video. This is your very own video now. You are now famous on our show. All right. Let me give you the link for it in case you didn't see it. You might want to watch it and share it around, because you're now famous. There you go. Show all the girls at college or university or wherever you're hanging out. They'll all be ringing you up now. So that's what I would do. I would put that video out and go, look at me. I'm now famous, girls, and I've got 35 grand. You're bound to have a lot of girls turn up. All right? That's all I'm saying. Sana, you just asked for a review. As part of being a member, wherever possible, I will give my members a free review. At the moment, I've got too many reviews on the free list. I'm not taking any reviews at the moment. However, if you want to get a review done and you want to super chat it, you can, and I will do your review for you, and it will go in order of how much you super chat. The top person's $20, then there's another $20, then there's a $5. So if you do $6, you'll be in third place. You will be done tomorrow. Tomorrow is review day. I'm doing a whole day of reviews tomorrow to catch up. Okay, I'm doing reviews tomorrow to catch up. If Sensei wants to go live tomorrow, if Sensei's got nothing else to do, you can go on the extra channel, Sensei, while I do reviews all day. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 10 reviews. I can do that in a day and get them all done. But I need a day when I'm not talking to people and just focus on the reviews. So if Sensei's got nothing to do tomorrow and he wants to go on the extra channel, he could, and I could be doing reviews all day. So we could have live trading on the extra channel and making reviews here on the main channel. Let's see what Sensei says to that. He says, I'm not bloody doing all day. I'm not like you, you bugger. I'm not as mental as you. Anyway, let's see what he says. Or we could do 2 shows or whatever. Anyway, so if you want a review, Sana, that's what you do. If you want to wait until I'm doing the free ones again, you can wait and I'll do a review for free. It's part of your perks. However, if you want it done tomorrow, you've got a super chat, okay? And it gets done in order, okay? Put Martin in charge, says Craig. Let's vote, Iberian Wolf. Let's take a vote. Oh, God. Really? You want to take a vote on this? Can't believe this. I can't believe this. All right. You get what you ask for. Don't always get what you want. What? Sensei soon. What? He said, let's do it. Are you serious, Sensei? Are you serious? Sure, let's do it. Sensei, are you actually serious? You want to do an all-day show? Sensei, do you want... let me know what you mean. Do you mean opening and closing bell? What do you mean? Tell me what you're prepared to do. I will make a video. I will advertise it. And I will advertise the fact I'm going to be here all day doing reviews. So let's see what he says. Let's take a vote. Okay. Let's bloody hell. You might have 2 all-day shows tomorrow. Oh my God, both channels flat out all day. That's pretty wild. That's pretty mental. That's pretty mental, if I'm honest. Right, okay, here we go. So SPCE. SPCE. Do you want a petition? And do you want a petition to have Eric Kearney replaced? You are telling me. Oh, hang on. You are telling me you are not happy with Virgin Galactic. I have been asked to poll this question. Okay. Just so people know it's coming from the viewers. All right, not coming from me. It's not like a little thing with me. It's a thing from you. So you are telling me you are not happy with Virgin Galactic. Okay. I have been asked to poll this question. Do you want a petition to have Eric Kearney replaced? Please vote. Please vote in X poll. Okay, you are telling me you are not happy with Virgin Galactic investor relations. You are telling me you are not happy with Virgin Galactic investor relations. I have been asked to poll this question. Please vote in poll. Do you want to petition to have Eric Kearney replaced? Okay, so we'll put SPCE, Virgin Galactic, Martyn Lucas Investor. Okay, here we go. This is your poll, your question. Do you want a petition? Yes. Do you want a petition to have Eric Kearney replaced? Yes. Fire Eric. No. Want him to stay. Or undecided. There you go. Okay. You're telling me you're not happy with investor relations. I have been asked to poll this question. Please vote in X poll. Do you want a petition to have Eric Kearney replaced? Yes. Fire Eric? No. Want him to stay? Undecided. There you go. You wanted to ask it? You wanted to poll it? There you go. Okay. So copy link. Okay. There is there's the poll. I'll pin it to the top. Pin message. Are you happy? Are you happy? There you go. There's the poll. Are you happy with that? You got what you wanted. Let's see what you say. So I'm going to put this on StockTwits as well. Okay, so I'm going to put it on StockTwits as well. All right, telling me, right, I have been asked to poll this question. Please vote in X poll. Okay, so I'm going to put it on 6 votes. My God. Yes, fire him. Wow. Yes, 9 votes. Like one person wants him to stay. It's probably his wife. He's probably a nice bloke, you know, but he's just rubbish at his job. You know, I'm not here to make friends. I'm just here to make money. And build a community. Right. Okay. There's the if you want to vote, if you want to go and share it on StockTwits, there is the there it is there. I'll give it to you as well, so you can if you want to vote, if you want to share the post on StockTwits, get more people to be aware of it, then you can. But there it is. 11 votes, 90%. It's not good, is it? Investor relations, and the investors, 90% don't want Eric Kearney in charge of investor relations. Flipping heck. I mean, that's a pretty damning result so far. 92%. You are the investors, and the investors are saying the investor relations manager is rubbish. I mean, flipping heck. I mean, he should be popular amongst the investors. I mean, he should be, shouldn't he? He should be popular among the investors. If I'm the CEO, if I'm Michael Cole-Glazier, I want the investors happy with my investor relations manager. It's flipping obvious. I wouldn't want all the investors to get rid of him. I mean, that's not good, is it? I mean that isn't, is it really? Well, there you go. You asked for a vote, you got it. Have you spoken with Andy Shovel recently? No, I haven't. I've had no reason to. I've got a direct number with him. I can call him up whenever I want. I can call up, loads of different, and Mr. Racer as well. Yeah, I've got all these numbers. Next Generation Media Solutions is smiling. How are you this afternoon? It would seem personal at this point. Well, that's why I've asked from you. It's not about me. That's why I wrote it the way I did. You are telling me you are not happy. I have been asked to poll this question. It's not me saying it. It's not me doing it because I've just got a grievance. I don't care. Honestly, I don't care about Eric Kearney. I think it's a waste of my time. Honestly, that's it. I've got no, I've got no grievance with Eric Kearney at all. I just don't care. All right. Anyway, you can see if he's watching. You just type in his name. He's not watching. Let's do it, said Richard Garcia. XRP, he made a few predictions. Oh, did he? Okay. People like to make predictions. I do it. We all do it. The GameStop thing is good, in my opinion. The GameStop thing is good. Yeah. Well, yeah, it is and it isn't. We believe that Virgin Galactic is a good business, or it could be a good business. We don't want it to be treated like GameStop or as AMC, whatever it was. We want it to be doing well because it actually makes money and it's successful. Otherwise, we're just gambling. We're not here to I mean, fine, if you want to gamble, that's fine, but whatever. Anyway, he came across a self-called stock profit. He came across as a self-called stock profit. I see. Calling FSR a short squeeze, allegedly knowing some background information. Oh, yeah. We get people all the time, they're not members, who say they know something and they don't. Let's be absolutely clear, folks. If someone comes in the chat and tells you they know something, they really know something. First of all, I've very rarely had anyone know something that I don't already know about a stock because it's all publicly available, okay? And that doesn't make me smart. It means we all have access to the same information. Very, very, very few people have inside information. Very few people indeed. And obviously, inside information is not even allowed to be used on the show anyway. Just good public information. That's what I share. I share with you public information, but you just may have missed it. You can't know everything, right? No one knows everything. So, very few people have inside information. And if they do, they wouldn't be in a YouTube channel sharing it because they are very close to the source. Very smart people wouldn't be doing such behavior. So I don't think anyone for a minute has inside information in the chat sharing it. I think that's ridiculous. And second of all, if they do have information, good information that we have missed, because there could be some information on a document that we have not seen or whatever, and they wanted to share it with people, for $2, they'd be a member. Was XRP even a member? Was he a member? Because most of these people that make up stuff that I know stuff, right? They're not members. They're never going to be members. They're like, Peru and people like that. Well, in fact, Peru is a member. That's not quite true, is it? But, they haven't even got 2 pence to be a member. Anyway. I now say he's even a broken clock is good twice a day. Hello, said Sensei Crypto. 35,000. I will put you at the top. 35,000 will put you at the top. Aha. Leave the toothpaste after you brush. Don't rinse your mouth and you'll have white teeth too. Brilliant. Right, there you go. Leave the toothpaste after you brush. Don't rinse your mouth and you'll have white teeth too. There you go. So that's how you do it, apparently. You just brush, leave on the toothpaste, and then you're good to go. All right? Now you know. Now you know the secret, right? Shall we have another look? Here he is, look. Here he is. Look at this. Look how white his teeth are. Can you all see? Look. He's got really, really, really white teeth, this guy. Yeah, let me make it easier for you. This guy is 19 years of age and he's got teeth whiter than Tom Cruise. Look, hang on. Let me zoom in. Look, you've never seen teeth as white as this. Right, hang on. Look, when he starts talking. Here you go. Look, watch this. Go on, smile, you bugger. Here you are. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. He's got teeth as white as flipping Tom Cruise. He has. So now you know. Now you know what you've got to do, right? You've got to put white. You've got to put toothpaste on, and don't rinse it. Just don't rinse it. Apparently, that's what you have to do. I love it. Free tips there. Free tips from Sana. Fantastic. Kevin B. You're all going to do it tomorrow, aren't you? You're going to go, all right, then I'm going to try that. I'm going to try that. Can we get a list of the reviews, Martin? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I can give you a list of the reviews right now. Here is a list of the reviews that I'm doing tomorrow. Tomorrow. I'm doing I'm going to oh my God, I can't believe I'm saying that. I'm going to do them all tomorrow because I'm mental, right? I'm mental. So I'll put it in general chit chat on Discord. Here is the list of the reviews I'm doing tomorrow. Okay, flipping heck, I'm mental. Here we go. There you go. There is the list of the reviews I'm doing tomorrow. Okay. All right, can you see that? All right, there's the list. Go onto Discord. It's in the general chit chat, and you can go and see yourself. All right, there you go. You can go and see yourself. There's the full list. All right, okay. Life story of XRP. Everyone knows him, and he's right, and everyone hates him when his prediction doesn't come true. I'm glad I don't listen to anyone. Yeah, don't listen to anyone. Do your own research. Sure, let's do it. That's what Sensei said a minute ago. Hey, FSK, prediction this Wednesday. Ramen, even a broken clock is... Yeah. I vote no to space. I'll buy it at $1. They did it to themselves. A live trading session with Sensei would be awesome. Can you imagine a live trading session? I don't like this guy. He just needs to speak. I'm still holding FSR. That's right. Yeah, let's do it. I'll take a few breaks on stream with a timer. Okay. Should I be on the main channel? I don't know. I don't know to that. I don't think so. I think we should try it on the extra channel. Don't worry, you're getting... So Sensei's going to do it. Okay. All right then, Sensei. That's 7:30 tomorrow morning. Put Martin on cash in the backup channel. Yeah, Sensei, put Martin on cash in the backup channel. The Sensei takeover. I'll call in sick to work so I can watch all day if Sensei's taking over for a day. Yep, it's going to happen. Martin, look, I alerted you guys, 28 on Discord. Martin, look at GNS. I alerted you guys at 28 on your Discord. Thank you very much, Future Millionaire. Hang on a minute. Future Millionaire, I alerted us. You can't. You haven't got access to Discord. What do you mean? Is Future Millionaire a member? Hang on. MSK, the K. Trey K. Jamie Redner. Let me check this a minute. Future Millionaire, you can't. You didn't leave a message on Discord. You're not a YouTube member. You can't possibly leave a message on Discord. No one can see it if you did. Future Millionaire, you're not a YouTube member. This is how you become a YouTube member. Then you can get access to Discord, and I will upgrade you. All right. This should wake Mr. Kearney up a bit. Is anyone happy with space? Been crap going down for 3 years. You better not be invested. Bill, get out when the war started. Yeah, Bill got out when the war started. We'll still have to stop my stream at 6 p.m. UK time. Maybe you do the closing bell. Okay, so... Okay, then. So... Okay, so you're going to go from the opening bell tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Let me get through the questions. Is my country on the list? SJ4000, Palestine. Is your country on the list? You're not a member of our channel. If you were a member of our channel, then yes, your flag would be here. We do have flags. We have flags from countries all over the world. Let me share with you the flags that we have. We have from your part of the world. We do have Israel, Lebanon. We've got 58 countries. We do have Palestine. We do have Palestine as a flag. We do. But you're not a member of our channel. Anyway.
Paul Knowles has become a member.
What was that? Paul Knowles has become a member. Paul Knowles. Oh, he's got his 2-month badge. So he's been a member before. He just let it lapse. There you go. He's back as a member now. He's got his 2-month badge. Just reading these comments. Jamie Renner. Paul warned you about crop. Who's Jamie Renner? Good afternoon to you. We've got a new guest here, Jamie Renner. I'm not going to get into all the discussion. That's between all of you. Just getting through the comments. Let's ask Martyn and see if he's against someone being from some place in the world and loving their country. No, there's absolutely nothing wrong with you loving your country and being from any country. No, we've got members from all over the world. In fact, we've got 58 countries. We aim to be open to all and free to all, and everyone has a voice. Everyone can be, anyone can be a member. Anyone can call in. We welcome all countries. Anyway, let's have a look. Fisker apparently is dumping again. 14 cents now. The afternoon dips are predictable. They are. The bell's about to go in 1 minute. Paul Vince says, LOL. Paul Vince. I don't know who Paul Vince is. Paul Vince says, LOL. Jamie Renner. Hi, Jamie. Anyway, the bell's about to go. Let's see what's up and what's down. Let's do day trader of the day shortly. And then we're going to talk about what Sensei is doing tomorrow. Are you ready? In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are
The bell has gone.
perfect harmony until one day a young man catches fire.
All right, here we go. Let's look at it. Day trader of the day. Are you up? Are you down? I am up 0.63. I'm up 0.63%. Who wins day trader of the day? Up 0.63. Let's go through all the charts. Here we go. Virgin Galactic now at $1.50. Palantir up. Gold up. S&P up today. Very nice. Amazon going down. Apple up. Next Era Energy up slightly. Enphase Energy up today. $111. Coca-Cola up. J&J down. Kenvue down. Chevron is down. Tesla is up 174. Rivian 11. McDonald's down. Google, what a day for Google today. And Microsoft. Walmart, oops, going down after hours. Tilray, selling off a bit now. 191, still up. Robinhood flat. IonQ up. Rocket Lab down $4 now. Plug Power down 325. Rumble down. Funware down. FFIE 11 cents. Rio Tinto. Bitcoin down 1.86. Polygon. Fisker 14 cents now. Who's winning today? 238 up 3%, up 2.41. The winner so far on the show is... Who's going to win this afternoon? Rallo 1, Chris Coyle. The winner this afternoon is Chris Coyle. Congratulations. Round of applause. Thank you very much indeed. Chris Coyle's the winner this afternoon. Very nice indeed. Chris Coyle. Very, very good indeed. Chris Coyle is the winner this afternoon. Fisker still down. %79% say fire Eric Kearney. Not good for Eric, is it? Only 12% say he should stay. Only 12% say Eric Kearney should be the investor relations manager for Virgin Galactic. Unbelievable. That's not good. There you go. So Eric Kearney has 79% saying yes, fire him. The few say undecided, but only 12.5% say Eric Kearney should stay in his job. When you are the investors and he is the investor relations manager, only 12.5% of you think he's doing a good job. Wow, that doesn't say much. In fact, only 12.5% of you say he shouldn't be fired. You might not even be thinking he's doing a good job, but don't fire him. Only 12.5% think he should stay in his job. Incredible. Incredible. That's not good, is it, for Eric Kearney? Let's be honest. Chris Coyle, congratulations to you. Bill, I've lost that sort of money. I lost 30 grand on Virgin Galactic. I know right where you are. Paul Knowles, welcome back as our 2-month member. Thank you ever so much. It feels like longer than that, but don't forget it's 1, 2, and then I think it jumps to, is it 6 months? So you could be at 5 months, and 29 days. I don't know, but it jumps to 6 months. Then it's a year, then 2 years, then 3, then 4. 4 years, you get the trophy. There's a special trophy with it. Anyway, they should sell space to Elon. Win-win. That would be a good idea, wouldn't it? Right. Okay, so we're going to end the show. This is what we're going to do. So we've got a special announcement. Are you ready? Special announcement. Okay, so here we go. special event coming up tomorrow, which is March the 19th. 19th of March, if you're in the UK, which is a Tuesday at 7:30 a.m. Central Time, 8:30 Eastern Time, which is the opening bell show, normal time, normal service. Except what we're going to do is Sensei is going to be doing the opening bell show for me. He's going to be doing the opening bell show, and he's going to go throughout the morning just the way I do, and then I'll be back for the closing bell. Where am I going to be? Well, I'm going to be on the usual channel, the main channel, all day, probably all the way through until literally the bell rings in the afternoon. I'm probably going to be online the entire day. And I am doing reviews. So these are the reviews that I am doing. I am going to be covering tomorrow JD.com, VLD, HQGE, which is HG Global Education, Zomedica, Skywater Technology, Herbal Life, SNDL. I'm also going to cover NXU, ALTIS, which is AMTX, and MPW, Medical Properties Trust. I'm going to cover all of those reviews tomorrow, while Sensei is doing the trading live on the extra channel. Same time as normal. But rather than me doing the trading and ringing the bell and answering all the questions and all the engagement with the audience, that's going to be Sensei on the extra channel. I'm going to be here on the main channel doing all those reviews. So click above my head for all the links for the extra channel if you're watching there, or the main channel, whichever way around you are. Down here below in the description, you'll find the links. And over here, you'll find both events. You'll find the opening bell with Sensei on the extra channel, and you'll find the reviews with me as well on the main channel. Make sense? Hopefully that makes sense. Going live at the normal time. I'll be on the main channel. Sensei will be on the extra channel all day for you. It's going to be great. What a lot of information. You're being spoiled tomorrow, aren't you? Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. We've got Sensei on the line. Sensei was just calling in. Sensei at end. Let me write that down. Sensei is calling in. Let me do this a second. So let's put Sensei in the green room. And okay, here we go. So let me go over to my interview screen a moment. There we go. Sensei, good afternoon. Welcome to the big show. How are you, mate?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Thanks for having me on, Martin.
Thank you very much. Well, thank you very much for stepping up to the plate tomorrow and declaring that you're going to be working your socks off. Appreciate that and a lot. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no worries at all. I mean, it's good to get the reviews out and also do some live charts, some live trading, and let's see what the markets are like tomorrow. As I said, I won't be there for the closing bell, but I'll try and run throughout the opening bell until that time. So I'm looking forward to it.
Well, that's going to be great. I know people are going to really enjoy that with you. Live trading with Sensei, that's never been done before. That's going to be a really exciting morning. What do you think tomorrow? Because of course we've got the FOMC report on Wednesday, so I'm thinking quite a muted market, a little bit shaky. We don't really know. The stocks that aren't making any money are all down, like Fisker and Virgin Galactic. They're all bracing themselves, aren't they, for a rate hike? That's what I think. What's your opinion?
Yeah, it's going to be an interesting one. The day before the FOMC it's always a hard one to trade because sometimes it goes sideways. Sometimes we get a bit of, people don't really know where to park their money. So what we're going to be looking for in tomorrow's trading day is some stocks setups where maybe they're at a high risk level, which we might be looking at exiting in case the Fed comes out and says we're not going to be, we might be considering hiking, we might be considering not cutting rates for longer, and that those stocks might come down. And we're also looking for stocks that might be at a very good level, a low risk level, where they can jump up a lot if the next day the Fed, Jerome Powell comes out and says, we're looking to cut rates next time. So we're going to be looking at both those levels, the ones that are high risk, the ones that are at levels where that high risk at resistance levels. We're going to be looking at maybe exiting those positions and finding some positions at low risk, so that if it comes out bullish, then those are the ones that are going to be rising a lot. So it's going to be an interesting day to trade and have some setups ready for Wednesday.
Fantastic. Sensei, stay right where you are. I'm just going to end out this video. So there's Sensei on the phone. Join him tomorrow for a live trading day with Sensei Crypto. It's never happened before on the show, on the Extra channel. I'm sure you're going to love it. It's going to be very exciting, particularly as we're going into the FOMC report. So join Sensei in the morning for live trading from the opening bell. Above my head, down below in the description. Over here, you'll find me doing my reviews, and you'll find Sensei doing his live trading. Fantastic. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. I completely and utterly messed that last line up. I'll have to do some edits there, but never mind. Hopefully that'll work out all right. Until next time. Oh, hang on a minute. Hang on. Thank you, James, for your subscription. I really appreciate that. Let me just wait for continuity. There we go. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Tomorrow, we got a big surprise for you. Sensei is going to be doing the opening bell on the Extra channel, live trading the day before the FOMC report. Let's go over to Sensei now and see what we can look forward to tomorrow on the charts. Very different style of show than me. I'm the fundamentals. Sensei is the minute-by-minute charts trading live tomorrow. It's going to be very exciting. You don't want to miss it. You can join me, of course, for the boring reviews, or Sensei for the live action. You choose. What are you going to choose tomorrow? We'll find out who's the most popular, and whoever isn't is going to feel a bit down in the dumps, right? Probably going to be me. I think most people will enjoy Sensei's trading tomorrow. And now let's chat with Sensei live on the phone. Okay, there we go. I'll cut back to that. That'll all make sense later. Cheers, mate, for doing that. Appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Happy to do it. Looking forward to it, and we'll see how it goes tomorrow. It'll be nice to jump in and out of watching your reviews and going back to trading and all that sort of stuff. So
yeah. Sensei, as I've got you on the phone, is there any chance you could center yourself rather than the window, and your microphone is kind of like the highlight? I see. Is it you're trying to hide stuff in the background? Is it you're trying to hide the messy bed and the stuff on the floor? Oh, I see. Well, Sensei, rather than have the window as the focus point, here's my suggestion. You just go and make your bed and tidy up. That was probably the way to go. Or just put curtains around like me and just build yourself a studio. That's the way you need to do it.
That's the next step. I'll have cameras rolling all over the place, lights and everything.
Exactly. I can tell you how to do all that, mate. Don't worry about that. All right, Sensei, thanks for calling in. As you are on the phone, is there anything you wanted to say to anybody today? Or what's this thing about XRP?
I'm not. No. I think there's this person called XRP. Is that what we're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm not sure. He used to come in the chat, give some wild predictions. Some people listened to him, took his word for it, saying FSR is going to be at $3 by the end of the week, and DYDX or something. So he gave some wild predictions, and I'm not sure why everyone's dwelling on some random non-member predictions. I think that's maybe I've missed a few things, but it just seemed like he came in and gave some really bullish predictions, and they haven't come true. And I haven't seen him back in the chat. He wasn't a member or anything.
No.
Yeah.
We've seen that a lot. It happens a lot, right? Anyone with any credible information, 99 times out of 100 becomes a member, and it's all very well being bullish and optimistic, but you've got to back it up with numbers and the reason why. And very few people have inside information that nobody else knows, because these are all publicly traded companies. And anything good and anything bad is generally known by most people. All we do is bring it together in one place. I don't know if we've ever revealed something that's ever been unknown to anybody in the whole world. I mean, it doesn't really happen. So anyway, it's always...
I mean, no one knows the future. All you can do is take all the information and sort of guess how the market sentiment's going to go, and that's what we try to bring together. And the other thing was, I think some people are a bit confused. Obviously this is not a political channel. We don't talk politics. We don't give our opinions. But anyone in the chat, as long as it's respectful, as long as you're not offending anyone, you can say what you like. We might not comment on it, but we're not going to start blocking people for saying free this country, free that country. Every country should be free. So I don't want people to get the wrong opinion. Of course, we're not here to talk about politics, but in the chat, the guidelines are, and correct me if I'm wrong, Martin, it's be respectful. Don't say any rude words. Don't be negative towards each other. And anything else is, as long as you're being respectful, it's sort of fine. We won't be commenting on politics. The channel's about all the people. We want to make sure everyone's okay. I mean, there's been instances in the past where people from Ukraine might want to call in, and we've done events for people. So it's not a political channel, but we're here for everyone, and everyone has a voice. But it's not, as long as everyone's respectful and there's no disrespect. Anyone can say anything. It's a free channel. It's a free for all, and anyone can be a member.
That's absolutely right, Sensei. Everyone has a voice, and that is the wonderful thing about this channel. And we take that for granted in some countries. You can't say what you feel or what you want. You can get arrested for saying certain things, and we might not always agree with each other, but on this channel, everyone, like you say, as long as they're respectful towards others and no hate speech or anything like that, everyone has a voice. That's what makes it so unique and special. That's not available everywhere in the world. There are many places you can't share opinions and views about certain things. You'll be arrested for it. So, we are a free, open family, and the fact we are a family, like a real family, people fall out and disagree and don't always get on. I mean, that's life as well, right?
Exactly. Yeah. I mean, the membership and the family you've created, Martin, is amazing. I'm sure the amount of people that have said and the people that haven't said, I'm sure so many people have been helped with the family feeling here, the community you've built. And of course, people have disagreements. Obviously, everyone's not going to agree, but that's the beauty of it. We're always here for each other. We're always respectful. And as you said, it's such a lucky thing we have where we live, and also what the channel is. Anyone can is free. It's free speech. As long as it's not hate speech, then everyone's happy. And again, thank you to you, Martin, for creating this amazing community.
Oh, it's my pleasure. And just before I let you go, Sensei, we've got Bill, one of our oldest members in the, I don't mean oldest as in physical age, but been a member for the longest time, seems to be having a bit of a down day today. He's saying, watch my last day here, no sense going on. Come on, Bill, you're not going to go anywhere. There's no need for that. Because, Bill, when you say stuff like that, you worry and upset people. Ed Nevis has just turned around and said, that's upsetting news, Bill. You will be missed. So come on, Bill. Doubt that, says Bill. Bill, come on. Why are you saying that? I will miss you, Bill. Everybody will miss you, Bill. You are here every day. You have a voice just like everybody else is. I know you're feeling down now. You've expressed that for a while, but you are here every day with us. We talk to you every day. You've said that your membership runs out today. Doesn't matter. If you can't be a member. Don't worry. You'll never lose your VIP badge in the Founders Club. You've done 2 years. Whatever. You won't lose that. And whether you are a paid member or not, we appreciate your support from day one. So, Bill, come back and talk to the viewers, because people are a bit upset. You saying you can't carry on. Look, Mike's saying, "Come on, Bill. We will miss you. I will misuse. Is Bill using margin?" I don't know about that. Bill's not even in the stocks. Bill, there you go. Look, everyone. Bill, if your membership runs out, you can still come into the live chat. You'll always be a Lucas aid. Absolutely right. Look at all the love coming in now for Bill. So I tell you what, guys, flood the chat. Obviously, whether you agree with Bill or whatever, the fact of the matter is he feels that this is how he feels. Lear always says to me, don't discredit my feelings. My feelings are my feelings. You might disagree and think, why is he upset? What's going on? But he obviously has some issues. He's upset about something. So, whether you think he should or shouldn't or disagree or whatever, show support. If anyone's down, they always need support. You don't know what's going on in someone's life unless you've lived in their shoes. I always like to think that. Sensei, we're pretty much come to the end of the show. I'm going to put out your promotional videos for tomorrow. I look forward to that. Before I end the show, is there anything you want to say before I let you go?
Yeah, well, thanks for having me on. Yeah, the only thing to Bill is obviously it's very upsetting that, as he said, we don't know what's going on in Bill's life, but I'm sure Bill's been here from the beginning. He's not here to hear what I have to say, but Bill's always been here since I joined the channel. He was very welcoming. He's always been here. He's been one of the best members. He did all the membership gifting. So no matter what you're going through, Bill, you can always come back if you need to go away for a few weeks, if you need to cancel your membership or whatever financial troubles or whatever you're going through. Please do come back. The family always, as you can see in the comments, is here for you, and there is a family been created, and you're one of the family heads. So please do stick around. Please let us know you're well. You see what happens when the original members start fading away. We always get worried. So do check in on us, Bill, and I hope everything's okay. But I'll leave it to you, Martyn. So thank you for having me, and I look forward to tomorrow's show.
Sensei, thank you very much. There was Sensei today calling in for tomorrow's event. Who removed my quote? No one removed your quote, Mike. I haven't seen a quote come up. I haven't removed anything, and I'm the only one who could remove it, so I haven't seen it. Nice to hear you, Alex. Alex Cragg, nice to see you too. MSK, if Martyn Lucas is willing to engage in political discord, then so am I. It just makes the channel more engaging, but I always felt that Martyn Lucas was against it. Is willing to. There's no political discussion gone on here today. There hasn't been a political discussion. We took what we spoke about. MSK was somebody just wanted to share their opinions. That's all. There's no political. I don't think there's anything politically going on here. I'm not aware of anything politically orientated at all today. Nice to see you, dear friend, says Paddy. I'd be gone then. Not here. MSK, I'd be gone then. Not here for political talk. There isn't political talk. There's no political talk at all. I'm not sure what everyone's going on about. Bill will forever be Santa Bill. I don't know where he's gone now. Is Bill is Bill still here? Let's have a look. Is he still here? Oh, yeah. Bill's still here. He's still here. He's just not speaking. Okay. Are you here? I've got to wrap up the show. I've got stuff to do. Sam is here. Oh, hello, Sam. How are you, mate? Love to see you, Paddy. Trey K, I'm just saying. MSK2. Okay. Yes, Zach, we need our Santa Bill. Yes. Right. That's it. Let me just view some of these comments. Oh dear, yeah. Thanks, Mike.
Eric
Good
B.
job.
Has become a member. Hello, Bill. Love you, Bill.
Eric B has become a member. I was going to say, for 6 months, you're just sharing your free badge. Okay, you get a free super chat from time to time. Indeed, very nice indeed. Right, okay, I'm going to get off now and put out Sensei's video promotion for tomorrow. Martyn, can you cover NNDM earnings on the 21st? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. March the 21st. Let me have a look. NNDM. Nano Diamond. I think I've done a review on this one, haven't I? Available March 21st. Pre-market. Yeah, I should be able to do that. It hasn't got a link yet, though. It's not showing confirmed link. But March 21st. Let me write that at the top so I can keep my eye on it. March 21, NNDM. Kevin B. I've got it written down. I've got a question mark next to it because there is no official link for it, but I'll keep my eye open for it. Okay. Bill is listening. There you go. Bill is listening. BlackRock bought me more space. BlackRock bought more space. I felt that guys was trying to push an agenda as he did, hence why I felt I should raise the point. Thank you, MSK. I appreciate that. Sam, you know you're always a special friend of mine. Always. God bless you. Thank you for catching that comment. Appreciate you. Yes, you have. How's it going? Treke, trust me, it's a great community and we all support each other here. We do. Okay, we've got somebody in the chat today who is being extremely, extremely offensive. So hold on, everybody. Hang on a minute. Okay. I've banned Kitty Chan from the show. Kitty Chan will no longer ever be in our show ever again. I just saw the comments there towards one of the members. Kitty Chan is now banned for life, permanently for the show, and will never be seen in the show again. You have no voice. There's absolutely no need for that sort of language. That's not tolerated. Completely zero tolerance for that. If you do that, you are gone forever. So you are done. You have no voice. Finished. End of. Silly. Now you have no voice at all. Glad to hear, Alex. Hi, Alex. How are you? Martyn Lucas. As this channel gets more popular, you're going to need full-time. Well, I do have moderators. We have a few here, and over time we'll add more and so on and so forth. But there you go. Okay, there we go. I'm going to wrap up today's show. Apologies for that sort of language in the show. That person has no place here. It was a lot. It was a lot more than swearing, Trey K. It was a lot more. It was a lot more than swearing. I wouldn't have just banned someone for swearing straight off the bat. That was ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Apologize, Mike, for you having to put up with that. Okay, let's have a look now on the X account, the poll. You asked me, this was not my poll, you asked me, should we, here it is, you are telling me you are not happy with Virgin Galactic. In fact, what I'll do is, I'll do this. So Sensei at the end, and then SPCE. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'll do this as well. Okay. Let's do it this way. Let's do it this way. SPCE. SPCE. Okay. Okay, here we go. So I'll do this now. Okay. Okay, here we go. Virgin Galactic try that again. Virgin, sometimes you can't get it out. Virgin Galactic investors, here is some action for you. Please understand, this has not come from me. I know the trolls will love this because they only watch the first 10 seconds of the video, a bit like kids who look at a comic book, only look at the pretty pictures, don't read the words. So if you are a troll, you might just want to try to watch the first 30 seconds to a minute. You never know. You just might pick up the facts on this video. As you know, I'm not a great fan of Eric Kearney, but I don't really care anymore. I have nothing to do with the man. He wastes my time. He drains my energy. I'm not interested in wasting my time. However, you asked me to do this. This was coming from you. You're not happy with where Virgin Galactic is now. And you asked me, this was exactly how you asked me. You are telling me that you are not happy with Virgin Galactic Investor Relations, hence Eric Kearney. I have been asked to poll this question. I was asked to poll this question exactly like this. Please vote in the X poll. Do you want a petition to have Eric Kearney replaced? In other words, have Eric Kearney fired? So far, we've had 33 votes in the first few minutes of doing it, and 81% of you want Eric Kearney fired. Only 9% of investors of Virgin Galactic actually think Eric Kearney, the investor relations manager, is doing a good job. As I've explained before on many videos, I'm not going to go into that on this video. If you've watched the videos before, you will know why perhaps you're unimpressed. That's for you to decide. I'm not going to go back over all of that. This is not between me and Eric Kearney. This is not personal. My channel is growing, doubling its rate of growth every month. I'm not bothered one way or another. I'm all about positive hard work and commitment. And as far as I'm concerned, Eric Kearney, in my opinion, isn't worth my time. He's a waste of space. He just does lip service and certainly doesn't treat the investors with respect. He treats them with contempt. And the things he said to me, and I relate to you, have been absolutely ridiculous. You know all of that. We're not going to go over that. So I've been asked to put this poll out that you want a petition to have Eric Kearney replaced. So go ahead and vote on this. As I say, it's not personal, makes no difference to me. I don't own the stock. But let me just share one thing with you. This is the state of Virgin Galactic at the moment, as you can see. But this is the state of the economy. This is my portfolio over the last year. The S&P is up. We've been in a bull market now for a year and a half. Eric Kearney thinks it's okay that the stock price is down, considering the markets are down. They're not. They're not on anyone's plate. The markets aren't down. They've been bullish now for a year and a half. And as you can see, I'm up 16% this year. So absolutely bonkers to say, it's acceptable. But anyway, there is the position. If you vote, don't vote, up to you. Click above my head, down below in the description. You'll find the links, and over here you'll find more things I think you might find interesting with Virgin Galactic. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Let's have a look. I haven't seen any kitties even comment yet. Must be slaying with speed. He is back. Hang on, how's he back? How the hell did he get back? Hang on a minute. Hi all, I'm in the right account. Hang on a minute. Okay. Let me report. Okay. Oh, there we go. I've banned. Sorry, I've completely banned. I've banned now. I've banned now from YouTube completely. He won't exist at all. He won't be able to appear. He's even got a report now through to YouTube, so he won't be able to report anywhere. So sorry about that. I didn't see it. What a horrible person. What a silly, silly person. You end up with nothing. If you behave this way, you end up with nothing. You end up completely invisible when the world carries on, building friends, making money, having fun, living, experiencing a great life. You're just in a dark room all by yourself, and no one even knows you're there. I don't understand this silliness. Anyway, I've taken care of it now. Renatha, just one question. Do you have any thoughts on what could happen to Virgin if a recession occurs? What scenarios can you envision, and could you share them? Well, Virgin Galactic has enough money to keep itself going for a good period of time. However, recession doesn't really affect those with money. Not at the top, it doesn't. The people that are going to fly with Virgin Galactic aren't going to be affected by a recession. Honestly, people who've got money make money from situations. More millionaires and billionaires are created in wartime than any other time. So I don't see Virgin Galactic doing badly because of a recession. They're kind of not recession proof. People with money have money, and they'll always have money. That's just the way the world works. I'm more concerned with inflation being high, interest rates remaining high, because they'll just run out of money. Anyway, I've taken care of that now. He's not back in again now, is he? He's gone now. Honestly, he's gone now. I've blocked him from I've literally blocked him from YouTube, so he can't be in the show now. Anyway. Yeah. Just reading all the comments. Yeah, it's done now. Anyway, I'm just going to go and check the extra channel as well. No, he's not in there. If he's in there, I'll block him there as well. He won't exist anywhere. Okay. I need to wrap up the show and get all this done. So this is what's going to happen now. I'm going to send you all, if you want to keep the conversation going and discuss tomorrow with Sensei. What a great day that's going to be. Can't wait to see how Sensei opens up the show and does the opening bell. It's going to be very exciting indeed. Let me give everyone the link to the 24-hour chat. That's where we're going to go now. There is the 24-hour chat. Okay, there it is. You've got the link there. Those that are watching me on Rumble tonight, if you want to join us in the 24-hour chat, there it is. Hopefully you might want to join us. That's all good. Let me make sure that this video will go directly, this live stream will go directly to, if you notice, there's been no issues with the streaming for the last couple of days. It was a YouTube issue. See, it's all been fixed now. Nothing has changed my end. It's just the way things go sometimes. When you're live like 10 hours a day, people then notice a few problems. It's just, the fact you're live so much. Other channels, you might not notice it as much. Okay, so here's the 24-hour stream. We're going to go there now, keep the conversation going. I'm sure you will. It's been a very lively debate tonight. I'm going to get out the FSR video and the space video and the Sensei's contribution for tomorrow. Very excited about that. Can't wait to see what happens tomorrow. I think that's absolutely brilliant. I'm really absolutely brilliant. Really, really good. I'm sure the extra channel will be busier than my channel tomorrow. I'm expecting that. Would be very surprised if it wasn't. Okay, so That's tomorrow's show. I'm going to set all that up now. I will give you the link for that in the 24-hour chat. If you go over there, I will set it up, give you the link for it, and you want to be involved in all of that. So I'll see you back tomorrow. Probably not. I'll be doing reviews, and Sensei will be doing the opening bell in the morning on the extra channel. I'm sure it's going to be very, very busy for Sensei tomorrow. And probably have nobody in watching me. Boring reviews. All right. Let me just read the comments. Thanks, Martin. So if inflation continues high and the Fed maintain and not reduce the rates, it'll be a big problem. It'll be a big problem for anybody who holds debt, not just Virgin Galactic. But yeah, we are expecting, that's why it's all down today. We are expecting the markets, there not to be a rate cut. But what would be absolutely terrible for Virgin Galactic and Fisker and Nikola and all the other companies with high debt will be a rate hike. That would be terrifying for those companies. I'll be bummed out to miss. I'm at work. Kevin B. Oh dear, oh dear. MSK. Kitty says she's got. Yeah. Let's not repeat that now. You too, Crag. Okay. That's it from me. So let me get out of here. Let me close the show. The video will take you straight to the 24-hour stream. You can carry on talking. I'm going to get the work done, and we will be back. Sensei will be back in the morning on the extra channel with the live trades. You can't miss it. You cannot miss that. Don't watch me. I'm boring. No one cares what I do. Go and watch Sensei. Make some money tomorrow. Should be a lot of fun. That's it from me. Thanks ever so much for joining me. I'll see you now on the 24-hour chat. In the meantime, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and each other. See you on the extra channel in a minute. I'm trying to get the upgrades finished today for the extra channel as well. It's about to get even better. Let's hope it lives up to what I'm hoping it's going to be. All right, see you in a bit. As always, take care of yourselves and each other.